this year Formnext was amazing. It's every year it's bigger and bigger, and I'm always surprised, how this trade show grows. For us, it was a very important show because we have a new look, new design.
We added about 45 or 50 square meters on our booth. And as you can see, it's full. So we were very happy with how much resonance we've gotten out here, because this is important. Formnext is the spot where people are looking at new technologies. They're looking at how they're going to finish up the 2019 budget and put it into production over the next years. We're able to really see the validation that we are getting the important people here. We're able to talk with them and able to really convince them that we are the solution they need to connect their production streams.
Technologically, we have developed much further, so we have been happy to present our technology. We have a live connection to printers on our booth this year. Bosch is co-exhibiting with us and presenting how they utilize our technology.
It's a question in a time where the economics are a little bit shaky around the world. Is additive manufacturing really going to be able to grow at this rate? And after the show, it's clear, yes. Everywhere around you see it's busy, people are making investments, they're making decisions. And here at the booth, it's very clear that our solution is being perceived as a full process. So we are out of our baby shoes. We've really moved into not just being a space to place orders, but really to manage the whole production stream and to be perceived as reliable and to be trusted by really big names. When we have AirPro here, when we have Bosch here, when we have Deutsche Bahn trusting our software, when we have a connection with the EOS machines, it's clear how strong of a presence we've actually gone into serving the real serial additive manufacturing market. We are going to be an integral part of production, and this is where this is the feeling that everybody that came to our booth walked away with.